Ever notice your newborn suddenly flinch at a loud sound? It's a natural startle reaction controlled by the baby's nervous system. It happens when their nervous system senses sudden movement or noise. Their arms fling out, then curl in. It's an instinctive protection reflex. This reflex helps babies respond to potential danger in early life. It's strongest during the first 2 months, then fades by around 4-6 months. Swaddling or gentle white noise can help calm sudden startles. Parenting is learning these little reflexes. If this helped, subscribe for more.